Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock Season 6 Seed Pack in Garden game of Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Season 6 pass has been released and it replaced the Season 5 pass. And from this Season 6, you will get Season 6 Seed Pack. And if you want to unlock it, guys, you just need to harvest your fruits. And when you harvest your fruits, you will get points. I don't know what it is called, but the more fruits you harvest, the more points you will earn. And then at level 4, you will be able to claim the Season 6 Seed Pack. And from the Seed Pack, you will get these fruits, these blends, Viopop, Storm Bulb, and Geode Root, Chroma Orb, Polypia Sprout, and Wold Lily. This is the rarest seed. Oh my god, you only have 0.5% chance to get this Wold Lily. Okay, and I already unlocked the Season 6 seed pack, so I'm gonna open it. Let's open it together and let's see what we get. What I get. Okay, I've already purchased it. Wait, guys. All right, this one, and let's open it. Oh, I got Chroma Orb. Oh, it's a mythical seed. That's a cool. If you want to get it for free, just participate in the Season 6 pass and unlock level 4 to claim one Season 6 seed pack. Or you can purchase it from here. It costs 100 points. Okay guys, and that's all about the Season 6 seed pack and Growy Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!